What's up, YouTube? Welcome back.
Hope you guys are having a very motivational day today. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. How your day been today?
My day's been amazing. How's yours been?
Mine's been perfect as much as possible.
Yeah, so we came downstairs because it's quiet down here. There's nobody here, and yeah, so we just thought instead of going outside in the heat, just come downstairs. So hopefully you guys having a positive day. Keep on pushing forward. Don't nobody stop you from what you're doing. If you feel down or lonely, I feel like you can always uplift yourself by doing something you love or doing something that
You love?
makes you happy or what you love.
Hope you guys is putting the effort in of what you want in life and dictating what you need and proceeding that with everything you desire, because your main focus should be containing much as knowledge as possible to keep you on the right standpoint and the right flat lines to get where you want to go, do what you want to do, wake up, conquer the same thing you just did from the day before, conquer it. Make sure you get everything you need while you need it, and build something, create something what you just contained, create something that's worth your while.
Love that. So yeah, I feel like being motivated and being who you are as a person is like a very important standpoint in life.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to be like somebody who's not like really positive. I feel like it's always good to be a positive person. Because when you're positive,
you get more out of life.
You do. Yes. When you're positive, more good things come to you or comes your way. And more people, like for me, I don't know, like I'm that type of person who really doesn't care who really sees me as who they want to see me as. It's just like
who you are.
Yeah, it's just like I would just want to do good for myself and do what I have to do in life to become a positive person and be good. So
yeah, because I feel like it's all about what you guide to you, and what can motivate you every day to keep constantly achieving something that you want more and more every day. Because the more you work, the more your goal come to you.
Facts.
It's like that. And I feel like it's basically like a dream, or like playing a video game. If you want like this fast car, this thing, you gotta manifest. You gotta keep constantly grinding until you get that car on the game. It's basically like that.
You got to.
It's basically like you can do that in real life too.
And that's why we work so hard, because like we don't like, we want to put like, for us, we want lots of memories, you guys. Like we want lots of memories because we have 3 kids and one on the way. Like I don't want to be that parent that doesn't have any type of memories from my kids' childhood. Like I want so many memories of my kids where they can go back and look at thousands and thousands of different videos and pictures of them. Like I nonstop take like pictures of the kids.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna say like nonstop, but I try to take as many as I can. But Rhea, she's not really like a picture type of person. She only takes pictures when she wants to.
Yeah, I feel like it's more videos we capture.
Yeah, and with Nora, she'll take pictures, but like sometimes she don't be in the mood to take those either.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I just feel like that's how it is.
I feel like with her, she gotta want to do it.
And even baby K, I don't really think she's not really into taking pictures like that.
Yeah.
Cause I have more pictures of like Journey and like baby K and Rhea, because like she's really the only person who really likes taking pictures.
Yeah. But I feel like it's the best about what you need and what you want.
And how you do it.
And how you do it.
And how you proceed to do it.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's about like keep the flow going. Just like maybe one day you might be up, one day you might be down, But the next day, you might be up again.
Facts.
But you have to just constantly keep on getting up and keep
and just moving and doing what you have to
keep on
do.
proceeding and to doing what you got to do.
Yes.
It's all about like just proceeding every day. Just keep on constantly just going up. And you probably going to go down. But you also going to go
back up. Skyrocket.
For real. It's like
you can go down and go all the way back up like in like a quick amount of
time.
No,
you want that. Like say you trying to do something, but it got have something got to do with a socket. That's how you got to place your mind today. It's like, oh, I got an iron today. Mm-hmm. And it's like plugging up a light bulb. That's how you got to transition your mind to being.
Facts. I see how you're coming in. Like you gotta switch it from what it was to what you want.
That's basically. How it is.
Yeah. Or how you want it.
Yeah, how you want it. And what you want to do with it.
Yeah. And how far you want to take it in life.
How far you want to take it.
That's just how it is. And so that's how I see it as, and I just feel like that's how everything should be. Like I feel like everybody should be positive. Take it as you see, take it as however you proceed to take it, and just do what's best for you.
Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. If you did this video, like, comment, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video. And if you want to see more videos like this, it's on this side right here.
Yeah, so it's on the screen. So we'll catch y'all next video.
Peace.